Imagine meticulously building a house with all the latest gadgets, sleek decor, and cutting-edge technology, but setting it all on a shaky foundation. No matter how impressive the interiors or how advanced the smart home features are, the house cannot stand firm if the foundation isn't solid. Similarly, you can invest in the most engaging social media campaigns, the most sophisticated SEO strategies, and the most compelling content. But if your website, the foundation of your digital presence, is neglected, the entire structure of your online marketing efforts risks crumbling. So today, I'm sharing why ensuring your website is robust and up to date is crucial. It's the bedrock upon which all your digital endeavors should be built. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to another video. I'm Kristina Stubblefield, and every week we help you unleash your business's potential, boost your visibility, and maximize your time. Today, I'm talking about the crucial role of your website in the digital ecosystem, uncovering common pitfalls and sharing actionable tips to ensure your site is the strong foundation your business deserves, and ensuring all your marketing efforts lead to success. You often hear me emphasize the importance of your website, and it is with your online presence and visibility. And I keep bringing it up because I constantly see businesses investing heavily in content creation for social media, blogs, search, whether it's their time, energy, effort, or money, but they neglect their website. It's like setting up the most attractive storefront, but forgetting to unlock the front doors for your customers. Today, we're focusing on why your website is the cornerstone of your digital presence and how to ensure it showcases the best of your business. First, let's talk about the role of your website in digital marketing. Your website is where all paths lead in digital marketing journey. It's your digital first impression, and in many cases, your only chance to convert interest into action. That's why it's crucial to have a website that not only looks good, but works efficiently to meet your business's goals. Let me give you an example. A bakery that specializes in custom cakes. They post beautiful creations on Instagram, driving potential customers to their website. But if that website loads slowly, has outdated contact information, or lacks clear ordering instructions, all that social media effort is potentially wasted. Your website needs to be the strong, reliable backbone of your online presence. Now, let's talk about common pitfalls of neglected websites. Are you ready for this? Your website can be more of a liability than an asset. Outdated products, services, and visuals can mislead and disappoint potential clients. Broken links, missing calls to action, and outdated testimonials can turn a visitor's interest cold. These issues not only hurt your brand's image, but directly impact your bottom line. Imagine a client watched a video on social media, then went looking for details about your latest service, only to find it missing from your website. Or worse, they're ready to take action, but there's no clear instructions or process on your website. It's frustrating for them, and it can cost you a lead or maybe a sale. Now, let's chat about the value of an updated website. A well-maintained website can significantly enhance user experience, build trust, and improve your SEO rankings. It's your platform to showcase your expertise, share your transformations that you offer, and clearly communicate how you solve your clients' problems. For instance, a coach or consultant might update their site with the latest case studies and testimonials, demonstrating their current expertise and success. This not only attracts new clients, but also reassures existing ones that they've made the right choice. Now, let's talk about some tips for website maintenance. To keep your website in prime condition, I recommend viewing it at least quarterly. Block out time in your calendar for this crucial task. Regularly reviewing can help you catch and correct issues before they deter potential clients. It's about being proactive rather than reactive with your digital presence. Another quick tip: Use tools like Google Analytics to monitor your site's performance. Look for pages with high bounce rates or low engagement, as these are red flags indicating potential issues or maybe outdated content. Ensuring your foundation is solid, so important. Before you dive deeper into the latest digital marketing strategies, make sure your website is solid. I've created a website audit checklist to help you with this process. You can download it using the link in the show description. This checklist is a great starting point to ensure your website accurately reflects your business and serves your audience well. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Think about the last time you made significant updates to your website. What changes did you make? How did it impact your business? Share your stories with me on social media or in the comments. If you're seeking more in-depth guidance about enhancing your online presence and how you can use AI, specifically ChatGPT, as a tool to enrich your content online, including your website content, don't miss my upcoming free webinar, Leveraging ChatGPT for a Powerful Online Presence in 2024. This will offer valuable insights into making the most of AI in your digital strategy. You can find the link to register on my website, KristinaStubblefield.com. If you're not familiar with ChatGPT or you're just getting started, check out this video right here.